Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you for clicking onto this video, and if you're coming back to my channel, welcome back you guys. Now, as you've all already read from the title, in today's video I'm going to be attempting to do the DIY TikTok viral hacks. Now, this is something that I've never tried before, and I've watched many of these amazing great TikTok videos on these experiments. So I actually wanted to try these myself in order to see if they actually work. Now, to do this DIY hack, basically you just need a champagne bottle with artificial flowers and then some wrapping paper or with newspaper. So I didn't have a champagne bottle, so I just used one of my smart water bottles, and I just stick the rubber band, and now I'm just going to be placing the artificial flowers onto the bottle and just wrapping it up with some ribbon on top, because I couldn't find any newspaper in my house, and that's how it looks like, you guys. Now, to do this next hack, basically you're going to need is of course a paper clip. It's supposed to be a phone holder, of course, so let's test it out and see if it actually works. Seen it like that, and hopefully it stands still. Okay, that works. And I'm just gonna place my phone onto it. Okay, I guess it works pretty good. Yeah, I don't know if I can turn it. I'm just gonna see if I'm able to like turn it around. Okay, yeah. Now, this next DIY hack, honestly, I was quite impressed with the way it came out. So I'm actually gonna try and see if I can actually make a teddy bear out of a towel. So let's see if that works. Alright, so I have my towel. I'm just gonna wrap it around from both sides and bring it together in the center part. Okay, just how she did it. Just gonna twist it over. Let's see if this works. Just gonna tie up the ribbon, and this is how it looks like. Honestly, it came out pretty nice. If only I didn't have the yellow elastic bands. Only if I had it in like a different color or one of those clear colors, I think it would have looked a lot better. Now, this next hack seems to look pretty easy. Basically you're going to be making a magnet out of some hot glue and some nail polish, and you have yourself a homemade magnet that you can actually place on your fridge. So that's basically what I'm going to be doing, and see if it actually works. Now we're just gonna wait till the hot glue dries out, and we should be good.
12 seconds later.
Still waiting.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Okay, so now it looks like it's pretty much dried now, so I'm just gonna peel it off. Alright, so now the next step is of course to apply the nail polish onto it. Now, I tried using a different color, but as you guys can see, it kind of left off its little glitter onto the hot glue wordings. So now I'm just gonna apply some different nail polish color. Alright, so once I applied the nail polish, I left it for it to dry for a couple minutes, and now it has completely dried, and this is how it looks like. Alright, and finally, last but not the least, I'm going to be doing the DIY print t-shirt hack, and let's see if that works. So I'm just going to add in the logo that I'm going to be using, some parchment paper, scissors, and of course some iron press. And first thing is first, of course, I'm going to get the logo that I want my t-shirt to be on. Just going to use some saran wrap, cut that up, and just wrap it around. And once that's been wrapped, I'm just going to put some parchment paper over it. and I'm just gonna warm up my iron press and just place that onto the logo. I'm gonna try to get the edges because that's usually where it starts to come off, so I'm just gonna make sure that the edges are nicely fixed there. And now let's peel it off. And this is the finished look. And there you have it, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Comment down below, let me know what other great videos you guys want me to make next. I'm always open for great suggestions. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. And also don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss a post. And I will see you guys next time. Take care, guys. Stay safe. Bye.